Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Wonderbar Autos. Today we have a beautiful 1962 Corvette Roadster. It's finished in red. Probably the nicest paint job I've seen on one of these. It's very cold here today. It's about 30 degrees. I just started it up and it's warming up. It's got a 327 in it. I think it's from a 69 Chevy. 4-speed manual trans. Sitting on the proper caps, wrapped in brand new tires. Paint is beautiful on this car. Top's perfect as well. Car runs and drives great. Wonderbar radio was just restored, and that works perfectly. Really runs and drives great. Very nice chrome and stainless. Yeah, it's really cold here tonight. Even the brake light works. 89,979 miles. Looks like all the gauges work too.
Look at what we've done since
there it goes.
They make a case to say, but if they
Check this
struggle,
out.
if they continue to get blown out, if they're non-competitive,
I've never seen one of these that works.
It can be awfully tough.
What am I going to do? What are my options?
Wonderbar goes to the next available station.
Kills them, then the Porzingis trade kills them. But if you look at...
Man, that was amazing back in the day. Very cool. Really nice chrome and stainless. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Wonderbar Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's wonderbarautos.com. Thanks a lot, and I appreciate you joining me today.